Hi, today I want to show you around our house a little bit more and give a little bit of a view in our life here in Spain. And I especially want to demonstrate this Cocina de Leña, our wood-fired stove. And I'm going to do that while making stock on this stove.
So there will be some cooking, but this is not a cooking video. On the bottom there is the ashtray and on top the fire. There's almost no wind today, so I need to help the draft going with a small fire in the ashtray. With all the cooking I did past weeks, I froze the cut-offs. Carrot, onion, garlic, celery, there's some chicken bone from deboning chicken thigh and some pork skin. We plan for the next years to grow a lot of our vegetables ourselves and reuse the remains in a stock like this. We have 5 acres of land, so I think we should be able to grow an onion or two. This stock I start with 1 whole onion that I will fry off and some bay leaf. Always add salt to the onions you fry. They will cook faster and develop more flavor. These Cocina de Leñas might look really old and ancient from people not from around here, but they are actually still made today and are very commonly used here in Asturias. And they come in all kinds of varieties, even with electric cooktops. This one has an oven, more of a slow cooker, a cooktop and a water boiler, providing the kitchen with hot water. Time to add my frozen ingredients and more salt. I also add some whole black pepper. Let's thaw and then fry this for a bit before we add water. Yeah, I'm going slightly off script here, but I think I want to have a bit of a char on my chicken. This will add a whole lot of flavor. I let this cook and reduce for several hours, basically on the apparatus that heats our house. Let's remove the meat from the chicken bone. I will use that today with this stock in a Chinese hot and sour soup. And there we have it, our stock from frozen cut-offs and also my swan latang. I might make a short video of cooking the soup. I recorded it anyway since I had all of my tripods already on my kitchen counter. I'll be making some proper cooking videos later, when the other kitchen is in place. For now I hope this was just a nice glance on the house, the Cocina de Leña and this lovely bit of Asturias. Like and subscribe and hopefully see you soon!